This is one play he's not going to make. It's his turn to be on the receiving end of Dodge fever. See? The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Everybody's falling for this one. 68 Dodge Charger is here, and it's a whole new ballgame. A style to quicken your pulse. A shape that's showing all the others what's really new. Hideaway headlights, sports car instrument panel with rally clock, handy door pockets, bucket seats, and it all moves out on 318 cubes of solid V8. 68 Dodge Charger.
You too have a date with Dodge Fever.
Take the pledge. Take the pledge. Take the pledge.
Norman discovered the ticket to adventure when he took the Mustang Pledge.
Take the pledge.
Mustang, the original, America's favorite sports car, with 3 new models. Norman flipped for the new Mustang Fastback, with options like a tilt-away steering wheel that leaps aside, adjusts to 9 different positions. A 390 cubic inch V8, new wide oval tires, and an optional speed control that lets you set your own course of action. Norman discovered a new wave of excitement.
Take the pledge.
Take the Mustang Pledge. No telling where it will lead. You're ahead in a Ford, all the way.
Introducing our tough one, the 1970 Chevelle SS 396. It's a great performer, except for one thing. No one gives it a chance to perform. Not that we can blame them. After all, there's a lot to admire about the new Chevelle SS 396.
Your car?
Hey, what's that?
A no-nonsense cowl induction hood you can order that actually feeds in extra air when you accelerate. Functional hood pins.
Bobby pins. No, these aren't Bobby pins, hood pins, baby, and they're for real hood pins. Yeah. Hey, 2 pipes. Gun it for me, will you, buddy? Oh, now, come on.
These are belted fiberglass tires, aren't they? Yeah.
Consider this fair warning. When you order your Chevelle SS 396 at your Chevy dealer's sports department, expect to draw a crowd, no matter where you take it.
It happens every time. A guy goes out and gets a genuine Tiger, a Pontiac GTO that is, and guess who suddenly loves cats? Frankly, Pontiac didn't intend GTO to stand for Girls Take Over, but it's something you Tiger owners have to guard against. Sure, ladies love to pop around to luncheons and go shopping in a GTO, and why wouldn't they? It's so comfortable and beautiful and easy handling. But he knows a Pontiac GTO is really built for threading curves on its redline tires, for slamming its Hurst floor shifter into gear, and powering up hills with 4-barrel carburation and 335 horsepower. So if she insists on driving your GTO, tell her, if you want a Tiger, you have to take care of it. The GTO, one of the wide-track Tigers from Pontiac.
Introduces the first turbocharged V8 of the 80s. Available only in Trans Am or Formula Firebird. With power swelling out of the hood and telling the world where it's at. A 4.9-liter message of appreciation to true believers. The way Pontiac knows how to deliver it. The world's only turbocharged V8 available in a production car. Now that's more Pontiac excitement for the great ones.